Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, confirm you're on a pro or business account so the link option appears in Settings. You can switch quickly in Account Manage. Once done, decide the link type you'll use, a direct URL, a Linktree aggregator, or a shop page, and copy the final, mobile-friendly https://link. Make sure the destination loads on mobile and is not blocked. This prevents later rejection or broken links and saves time during the actual TikTok steps. Now open your TikTok profile and tap Edit Profile to reach the website field. Paste the clean https://link into that slot. Remove long tracking parameters or anchor fragments that can cause preview issues. Tap Save, then immediately preview the profile as a visitor to confirm the link is visible and tappable. If you use Linktree, confirm your Linktree page shows the intended buttons. Once you validate the destination loads correctly, you've completed the core update and can move to verification and promotion. Finish by verifying the link across devices. Test on another phone, desktop, and on both Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out caching or carrier blocks. If the website field doesn't appear or the link won't save, clear TikTok app cache, force quit, or reinstall the app. Log out and back in. Make sure your account meets TikTok policies. If problems persist after 24 hours and retries, contact TikTok support with screenshots. That step helps only after you've exhausted local fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.